Exposing Excel files as APIs using the GET method enables industries to share critical data like energy usage, sales reports, and research insights, making real-time access and analysis more convenient. DataFinz allows users to seamlessly expose Excel files as APIs using the GET method, providing no-code access and simplifying data retrieval. This eliminates complex configurations, enabling API-based access to Excel content with ease. In this demo, we'll walk through how DataFinz connects to cloud storage, selects an Excel file, and instantly exposes it as a REST API. The user begins by navigating to the API publisher, selecting the designer option, and choosing the API name to edit. They then enter the relevant object connection, type, and object name before creating a new endpoint with a meaningful name. Once done, they select Get from the available API options. Next, the user selects the required columns in the Fields section, while DataFinz automatically suggests camel case field names for better readability. Filters can also be applied as needed. Finally, the user can choose the necessary API parameters. Once the endpoint is created, it's ready for validation. The final step is to navigate to the API publisher, select the documentation option, add the endpoint to API documentation, and set up authentication for secure access. The API is then tested in Postman, where upon execution, the user can instantly retrieve data from the Excel file.